Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. I'm still on the series sequence. In our first video, I did something on number pattern. In this video, I want to move further by looking at linear number pattern. Okay, I want you to underline the word linear. Linear number pattern is of the form u subscript n, which is equal to b n plus c, where b and c are constant. Okay, let's see how we generate. So we are saying that linear pattern is u subscript n b n plus c. So if you want to find the first term, you put n is equal to 1. First term u1 will be b times 1 plus c, which is b plus c. And for u2, so n is equal to 2. We have 2b plus c. And then the third term u3, put n to be equal to 3b plus c. Okay, let's look at the last one. The fourth term, which will be 4b plus c. So when you look at the linear number pattern, this is how the sequence will behave. So the first term is b plus c. Then the second term, that's 2b plus c. The third term is 3b plus c. And then the fourth term, 4b plus c. So this is how it will behave. Now let's try to find the difference between two consecutive terms. So if you are looking for this minus that, so 2b minus b will give us b. So when we find the difference, we are going to get b here. And then let's find the difference between these two consecutive terms. So 3b minus 2b will give us b. C minus c will go to 0. So let's look at this. 4b minus 3b, b, and then c minus c will go to 0. So for linear pattern, when you take the first difference between any two consecutive terms, the difference is the same. Okay, let's use examples to illustrate this concept. Consider the following linear number pattern. So we have 2, 7, 12, and 17. This is a linear pattern. We have to find the n term, and then we determine the 199th term. Okay, so let's go back and then look at the general term. The general term, the first term, is b plus c. And then b, the difference is b. So when we come back here, we can say that b plus c, which is the first term, we go to 2. And then the difference, let's look at this difference. 12 minus 7 is 5. 17 minus 12 is also 5. This minus that is 5. So we can say that b is 5. So if b is 5, we can easily find c. So 5 plus c is equal to 2, which implies that c will be equal to 2 minus 5, which is equal to minus 3. So the first part, we have to find the n term. So the n term, that is un, is equal to bn plus c. We have found b, we have found c. So we just put them together. b is 5, so 5n. And then c is minus 3. So that is the n term. So if you want to find the 199th term, so u of 199, that will be 5 times 199 minus 3. When you do the computation, we have 995 minus 3. And then when you subtract, we are getting 99. Now, let's look at the next. Which term of the number pattern is equal to 497? So this is the number pattern. So which term will give us this value? That is 497. So let's see. We know the n term is equal to 5n minus 3, right? That is the pattern of linear sequence. And from the question, un is equal to 497. So this implies that 5n minus 3 is equal to 497. And 5n will be 497 plus 3. So 5n, 5 500. Let's divide both sides by 5. We are getting n to be 100. So when you look at the linear number pattern, about the 100th term will give us 497. Okay, let's take another question. Yes. If the following terms make a linear sequence, find the value of k. I want you to bear in mind that for a linear sequence, when you take the difference between any two consecutive terms, we are going to get the same value as we have demonstrated. So k on 3 minus 1. So what we are going to do is we take the difference between these two consecutive terms and then equate them. This implies that minus 5k over 3 plus 2 minus k on 3 minus 1 must be equal to this minus that. So minus 2k on 3 plus 10 minus 5k 3 plus 2. So let's simplify a little bit. So we are getting minus 5k on 3 plus 2 and minus k on 3 minus this will affect this to plus 1, and this is equal to minus 2k on 3 plus 10, and then this minus will be plus 5k on 3 minus 2. Okay, so still rearrangement. When we simplify, we are getting minus 5k on 3 minus k on 3 plus 3 on the left hand side is equal to minus 2k on 3 plus 5k on 3 and then plus 8. So the LCM is 3. Can now multiply through by 3. So minus 5k, 3 will cancel 3 minus k. Then 3 times 3 will give us 9 is equal to minus 2k plus 5k plus 3 times 8, 24. So this implies that we have minus 6k plus 9 is equal to 3k plus 24. So we still want to group the like terms. So minus 6k minus 3k is equal to 24 minus 9. So we have minus 9k is equal to 15. So we want to find k. We divide both sides by minus 9. So therefore k is equal to 3 will go here, 3 go here, 5 minus 5. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. This is the second part of sequence. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, then share the video too. Bye bye.